Alright, welcome back, folks.
Today, Gabriel and I are going to be cracking open the Pokemon TCG Azure Legends Tip, which should include 5 random booster packs from the Scarlet and Violet era. So will we score some heat, or will luck be against us? Stay tuned to find out.
First pack
Magic. Ooh, we got a Houndor illustration rare. Ooh, a Lacey trainer card.
Whoa.
Alright, so there you have it, folks. 5 packs, 3 hits. Not bad odds if you ask us. But remember, it's not about the chases, it's not about the hits. It's about spending time with the folks that you love. So, until next time, thanks for watching!